Okay, so you brought me to the busiest airport in the world. Why?
I did. Well, we're going to meet with Delta, we're going to meet with Everest and Madigan, who are two service providers for Delta,
Okay.
and discuss how they are cutting emission with their ground service equipment. Aviation has been booming, but it's really interesting what's happening in this industry with electrification.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Great,
Hey,
welcome.
how's it going,
Welcome
guys?
to Delta Airlines headquarters.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
Great to have you here to talk about sustainability.
Yeah.
All right.
And do that with two of our like-minded partners with Malahan and Everest.
Yeah, you see, Delta is really, really small, right? When it comes to ground service equipment and really electrifying their portfolio of equipments, reducing their emissions, they partner with two companies, right? Bringing this together and developing technology. So that's what we're gonna go see.
All right, we'll follow you guys.
Excellent, let's go.
All right, and happy birthday to Delta.
100 years.
It's incredible.
Thank you.
This plane is incredible. So why are we over here seeing some of the history?
Well, I think it's a great place to talk about how, we all got here to begin with. I know at Everest, we started with a mission to help electrify ground equipment because of operational efficiencies and certainly sustainability. Early in my career, I saw a need for the airlines, in particular Delta Airlines, to electrify their equipment to meet their operational goals.
Do you know how much emissions you're allowed to, or you're able to reduce?
A lot of our emissions come from fuel. Now, ground support equipment is just a small percentage of that.
Right.
But driving into electrification is what's allowing us to reduce those emissions.
Right, because that's not only in Atlanta, it's also in other hubs
It's
as
across
well
our
around.
system, that's correct.
It's definitely only one piece of the equation. We power the vehicles, but it's companies like Malahan that build the actual vehicles that do the work on the ramp and then help further the sustainability story.
That's an oldie.
Yes, it is.
So Gabe, we talked about leaning into the past to help us steer the future. We're standing here next to a lav truck that has a manual transmission on it. How many folks can even drive a manual transmission today? Malahan builds fully electric versions of this now that have an enclosed cab and a heat pump inside of it to help keep the passengers warm and cool in the summer or winter. When you think about electrification, it's much cleaner. Old equipment, old internal combustion, you had the emissions, you had the engines running, you had the smoke.
Yeah.
So when you look out on the ramp today, all the equipment's much cleaner. You can actually see that equipment and see the impact that it's making. So Malahan's been manufacturing ground support equipment for over 30 years. We design it in-house and we build it in-house, from the raw metal to the finished product out the door.
Yeah.
And what that does, it allows us to control the quality and the sustainability of that manufacturing process to meet our high standards for the end user customers.
Okay, so I've always wondered, what are these for?
So this is a winglet, and it's a great example of something else in our control to help drive sustainability. What it does is it reduces the drag on the aircraft,
Okay.
so less fuel burn.
So I read somewhere that Delta has over 5,000 flights every day.
That's right, over 5,000 flights a day to 290 destinations on 6 continents.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, and this collaboration is what really participates in the innovation multiplier, right? Each one use their own expertise, right, and collaborate together to deliver.
Yeah, because you think about everything that has to happen before the airplane even gets into the air, that you guys are all working on.
Along with the great partners, like-minded partners like Everest and Malahan, this is real, it's happening now.
I mean, great partners focused on sustainability. You guys, thanks a lot.